Okay, Lovies, I have a trick for you. I want to show you. And I'm going to show you, see these beautiful little jowly things that I have right here? I'm going to try and hide those. So, you see what they look like, right? You see them? All right, so we're going to try something here. We're going to take our contour, right? Nice dark contour. And we're going to disguise them. Watch. Do you see that? Do you see that? Is that not amazing? Well, watch. Of course, we're not going to leave it like that because it looks like I have dirt on my face. So, here we go. You're just going to blend, blend, blend until it becomes see? Do you see that? Is that not amazing? I love it. Contour and shadowing are amazing. You just got to put it in the right place. So you just want to create a shadow so that that little jowl just kind of disappears there. It works. Try it. Let me know. All right, guys. Till next time.